Feeling buried under a mountain of to-dos? Let's transform your Google Calendar from a digital wasteland into a productivity powerhouse. First up, color coding. This is the visual key to sanity. Click the three dots next to a calendar event, then choose a color. I use blue for work meetings, green for personal appointments, and red for deadlines. This way, at a glance, I know exactly what my day looks like. Next, let's master reminders. Go to settings and click on reminders. Create different notification settings for events and reminders. This ensures you're alerted in advance for important meetings and upcoming deadlines. Set notification times that work for you, whether it's 10 minutes before or a day before a deadline. Time to tackle multiple calendars. I have one for work, one for personal life, and even one specifically for tracking goals. To add a new calendar, click the plus sign next to other calendars. This keeps everything segmented and manageable. You can also share these calendars with others. Finally, let's talk integrations. Google Calendar plays well with others. Connected to your email for automatic event creation, from reservations and deliveries. Even better, link it to your favorite task management app for a seamless workflow. This way, all your appointments, notifications, and task lists are in one place. And there you have it, my Google Calendar setup for ultimate productivity. Now go forth and conquer your schedule. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips.